Hello everyone, I'm Cláudia Franco, jazz singer and vocal teacher from Portugal, and this is the quick warm-up. I hope you enjoy it. Let's do it. Let's roll our shoulders and the head. And let's start losing those tensions. Good. Breathe in silence. One more. And let's go down. Maintain your hair flow constant. So this is not, you need to control your airflow, okay? And let's do it again, so. And let's change. Mi me ma mi me mi me mi mi me ma mi me ma mi me mi me mi mi me ma mi me ma mi me mi me mi mi me ma mi me ma mi me mi me mi mi me ma going mi me ma mi me mi me mi mi me ma mi me ma mi me mi me mi mi me ma mi me ma mi me mi me mi mi me ma. Sound good. I'm warming up, okay? I need to breathe better. Yeah, good morning. with my heart. You make me smile 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 with my heart. Yeah, I guess that's it. So if you feel any pain or tension, please seek for a vocal teacher. If you don't have any, you can write me, look for my website and my online singing academy. See you next time. Hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.